Hey, what's up, Airsoft? And today I'm gonna do a unboxing because I haven't done a video in a while. I had a unboxing before this one, but I didn't record it because I was too excited to open it. But here's another AirsoftGI unboxing. So. So, paper, that's what I got. Papers. I'm just kidding, but. Okay. So what I got a bunch of BBs. I got 25,000 BBs, actually. That's 25,000. I know that's a lot, but it was a great deal for all of them. I got, 25,000, so. Yeah, I got and I also got this sling. I forgot what kind of sling it is. I got the Echo 1 double shoulder sling. So yeah, this is good for my new gun I got. I got a, I think it's a Javelin. Yeah, I got a Javelin 9.6 nunchuck battery. I got a new patch, and I got a free shirt because I ordered it from AirsoftGI. So, AirsoftGI is the best website to me and a lot of my friends, but you know, yeah, so basically I got all those BBs and just the battery and sling and the patch. So, thanks for watching. This has been Airsoft, and goodbye.